Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error 0X800CCC92. If you're seeing this Outlook error, it often points to an account sign-in or mailbox configuration issue. In this walkthrough, we'll go through a simple sequence inside Outlook that can help refresh the account connection and tidy up the data file settings. Start by opening Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click File. This will take you to the account management area where Outlook stores settings for your email profiles and mailbox connections. Next, click the Account Settings drop-down menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This opens the window where you can review the email accounts currently connected to Outlook. In the list of accounts, click on the email account you want to work with. In this example, it's shown as a sample email account. Selecting the correct account is important because the changes you make here will apply only to the highlighted mailbox. Now click Remove and then sign in again. This helps refresh the account connection, which can sometimes resolve the error if Outlook is using outdated login information or a broken connection profile. If Outlook prompts you during the sign-in process, carefully enter your current account credentials and let the account finish syncing before moving on. After that, click on the same email account again so it's selected in the account list. Then click Change. This opens the settings for that specific account where you can review and adjust the connection details. From here, click More Settings. A new settings window will appear with additional tabs for advanced account options. Click the Advanced tab. This area contains settings related to server behavior and Outlook's local data storage. Next, click Outlook Data File Settings. This opens the settings for the local Outlook data file associated with the selected account. The data file is where Outlook stores synchronized mailbox content, and over time it can become larger or less efficient. Now click Compact Now. This tells Outlook to reduce unused space in the data file and optimize it. The process may take a little time depending on the size of your mailbox, so allow it to complete without closing Outlook. Compacting the data file can help improve performance and may resolve issues caused by file inefficiency or minor data file problems. Once the process is finished, close the settings windows and return to Outlook. Give the app a moment to reconnect and sync your mailbox. If needed, restart Outlook to make sure the changes fully apply. That's it. You've now removed and reconnected the account, reviewed its settings, and compacted the Outlook data file to help fix Outlook error 0X800CCC92.